Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you can access settings and that you know the My Account and device PIN. This matters because Fingerprint reset may require authentication. Once done, backup photos and the contacts list to Google Drive or a PC so nothing is lost. Next, open Settings and tap Passwords and Security. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are off to avoid accidental sync. Now, proceed to fingerprint unlocking. You will remove the old fingerprint and be ready to enroll a fresh one. You verify identity with your PIN or password. The system needs proof before altering fingerprints. Then tap Fingerprint Unlock and you'll see a list of saved prints. Tap one to see details. Once selected, press Delete and confirm the prompt. Do this for every fingerprint shown. If a fingerprint refuses to delete, make sure you enter the lock screen PIN correctly, then retry. After removal, the fingerprint unlock list should be empty, and the option will allow you to add a new print. You now add a new fingerprint. Tap Add Fingerprint and follow prompts. Lift and reposition your finger each time so the sensor captures edges and center. Make sure finger and sensor are dry, and enroll 3 to 5 partial placements for reliable recognition. Once enrolled, lock and unlock the device several times to confirm speed and accuracy. If recognition fails, clean the sensor surface and your finger, remove screen protector if present, reboot the phone. Then repeat enrollment. That usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.